Today I'm going to show you how to copy blocks between sections on Squarespace Fluid Engine. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistent design elements across different parts of your website without having to recreate them from scratch every time. Also, if you're interested in business tools that can improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard, where you can see all your websites and projects. On your dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the specific website where you want to copy blocks between sections. This opens up the site overview page where you can access all your editing tools and site management features. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see an Edit Site button. Click on this button and then click the Edit button that appears. This launches the Squarespace Fluid Engine editor, which is the main workspace where you'll be making changes to your site's layout and design. Once you're in the editor, navigate through your page to find the specific block you want to copy. This could be a text block, image block, button, or any other content element you've added to your page. When you locate the block, click directly on it to select it. You'll notice the block becomes highlighted, indicating it's now active and ready to be copied. With the block selected, press Ctrl-C on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command-C if you're on a Mac. This copies the block to your clipboard. Now comes the important part. Navigate to the section where you want to paste this block. This could be anywhere on the same page or even a different section entirely. Once you're in the desired location, simply press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. The block will instantly duplicate into the new section, maintaining all its styling, content, and formatting. This saves you tremendous time compared to rebuilding the same element from scratch. If you have multiple blocks you want to copy, just repeat this process for each one. Select the block, Ctrl-C to copy, navigate to your destination, and Ctrl-V to paste. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied blocks between sections on Squarespace using the Fluid Engine, making your website editing workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.